Good morning. Say good morning. There's our elevator. Time for breakfast. You gonna say hi to Dory?
Where's Dory?
Hi! Where's Dory? Where's Dory? Dory. Say hi. Daddy's getting an omelet. We have to wait. Can you wait? Here's my breakfast. Fried rice, eggs, toast, sausage. There's a hash brown buried. We're gonna go to the splash pad later. Before we get off. Yummy. Do you like your waffle? Yummy. Yummy. Now we're just waiting for the pools to open. They should open soon. Hi. Hi, Evelyn. You have to wait. Cheers. Did you get ice? Ice? Where's Mommy's cheers? Right here. Cheers. Boom. Get in there. Whoa. You're so cute. Yeah. Kick, kick, kick. Hi. Hi. Do you like the pool? Is it warm today?
It's been nice like every time.
Yeah. Look at you go.
There you go.
Hey, Evelyn, cheese.
Cheese. Get over there.
Yeah.
I'm not getting everything. My phone is in the room.
Okay. Hi. Go around again. Go around.
Go through it.
What?
You cheater. Oh man, all of these balls. Hi, Evelyn.
Go under the waterfall. Go under that one. Yeah. Oh, it's windy. Trixie? Big hugs. Splash Mommy. Woody? You wanna go down the slide? No? Jessie! Aww. There's Bullseye. Go give him a hug. Big hug. Big hug. Oh.
Yay!
Yeah, see, look at that smile.
Yes, go again, go again. Should Daddy do it again?
Where are you going? Go give Rex a hug. Whee! That's the bathroom. We're here. We're at Grand Cayman. Is it lunchtime before we get on the ship? Evelyn got herself a bowl and fries. Here, you want a bite? Yummy. I got a bowl. Third one. Daddy will be right back. Can you have some fries? You got your fries? Good job. You taking Daddy's food now? Daddy got some barbecue. Do you want some barbecue? Or do you want some more bowl? You want bowl? Oh yes, thank you. Here, you want a spoon? You can do it yourself. There you go. Now I got some pizza. All they had was pepperoni. I know because she'll just eat the pepperoni. Uh-oh. Was it hot? It's just pizza. Hot. We're on the boat. You tired? You could take a nap. Sleeping bag. And we're off. Bye-bye. Bye, treasure. See you later. We made it off. Evelyn is fully asleep. We're gonna have a good time. Look at the cute little church. It's so cute. We're going shopping before our excursion. What? I said before our excursion.
I thought you were saying for our excursion. Shopping is our excursion, right?
Before. Soaps. We found a soap store.
Alyssa found a soap store. Well, it's part of our shopping excursion. You see anything? Yeah. Some like soaps. Some more soaps on this table. Oh good, she fell back asleep. She woke up for a minute there, but now she's back asleep.
We're passing the museum. The National Museum. We made it back to Guy Harvey. And there's the White Whale Pub. You see the big fish? No, you don't go upstairs. Breakable stuff up there. You see the shamumus? Yeah, the fish. Go see the fountain, the stingray fountain. Well, is that a cool fountain? Stingrays. We are taking a break in this little pavilion. See? Pandora's here. There's a few stores. Evelyn got a stingray.
Yep.
Did you get a stingray? You give her another high five. High five. You're silly. Daddy, you have to watch her give her a high five. Go give her a high five. High five. Boom. She's dancing. You dancing? We're getting ice cream. Yeah, you can get something for her.
What's the closest thing to the Starbucks strawberry?
I get 2 scoops. I'll do 1.
Oh, I can look. We can get ice cream. Do you want to get ice cream? We're at Häagen-Dazs. I'm getting a lime, virgin lime mojito with ice cream. Daddy might get the raspberry one. Does that sound good?
You want to try it?
You want to try it first?
You want to try it? That's good.
No. Oh.
You try it. No, we're not going to put the straw though.
You gotta leave the straw in there.
No.
No? All right. Is it good? All right. Had to get somebody her own food.
We had to get someone else her own straw. Let's see what Daddy got. What'd you get?
Mango slippers. They didn't have the raspberry.
Oh, you got the mango. You want to try it? Try it.
No, it's not hard. It's very thick.
No. I really like mine. Eddie doesn't really like his.
Not really. But
Mine's good. We're gonna check in for our excursion very soon. There's Fort George. Daddy's gonna go to the duty-free store. So we are all checked in. We are Team Flounder. And it should be a good time. I think it's like actually a 45-minute ride total.
yeah, it's an hour and a half long.
Yes. She's watching Coco. Here comes our submarine. That's what we're getting on. Look how clear the water is. But that's what we're getting on right there. Are you excited? Are you excited? We're in our sub.
Is it cold enough for you?
What? They have water in here too, which is nice. She's excited. She's excited.
She sunk in 1948, and what was the story of the Kelly? What did she sink? So long story short, the captain of the Kelly was on his way to the Cayman Islands, leaving from Cuba with the cargo. And on the captain's journey coming here, one of the engines was having a problem. The engine was shaking. And it was shaking so much that the engine... Yep, dolphin on the right. I'm joking, I'm kidding. These corals are called brain corals. And you guys want to know what? Because they look like brains. Yeah. There's big brains and small brains everywhere. They all provide food and shelter. The water is pretty, the coral reefs are pretty
Passing
big
a lot of coral.
This is a big open area. So this is just a portion of it. It's all the national park. Everything is protected.
Whoa,
Yeah.
what do you see?
We can't even go fishing, it's illegal. So we have to go 10 miles off the shore to go fishing. We always see like snappers over there, like gray snappers fish as well. You might see some caves as well, guys, some dark areas. If you look into the cave, you might see a moray eel or octopus. Yes, we do get octopus in the water. Those skin white spots only. So you see those two types. But the male is better looking. We're going to show you one on the left side, okay? And you're always biting the coral, making the sand. We're going to see a big cave too on your left, on your windows too, which we'll show you.
Whoa. Evelyn, you're missing the fish.
Captain's here, guys. Baby, come here. Captain's here.
Whoa. That's a lot of fish.
On the way, guys. It's Captain.
We're gonna go back to the ship.
Yeah.
Get some fries.
Pizza.
Pizza?
Pizza.
You laying down? No. She can't at the nursery. Hi. Hi. We're just hanging. No, we're just hanging out. Whoa! Look. It is pirate night, but we are going to Palo.
She's going to the nursery.
She's going to the nursery very soon. So it's officially date night.
Started date night.
Fancy date night.
Yes.
We're going to the Rose, and then we're going to Palo. So we're gonna sit down at the Rose.
I'm gonna have a beverage.
Eddie's gonna have a beverage. I don't know what I can have. So here are my options. No way frosé. I could get a 0 proof. New in fashion.
As in an old fashioned?
But it's new in fashion. But yeah, it seems like an old fashioned. We got some snacks.
A 0 proof sparkling rosé. Yeah, don't get none of that on your dress. How's it taste? Tastes good. That's good. Say that again.
It tastes like grape juice.
Grape juice?
Sparkling grape juice.
That's what it's supposed to be.
Which is fine.
Alright.
I would like to try
The old fashioned one? It's a new fashion. This is the old fashioned. It's got like a chocolate. It's supposed to be sweeter. Alright, let's see.
This is peaceful.
It's very nice. Nice and relaxing for sure.
I picked this over Haunted Mansion.
You did.
Eddie's mad at me.
I'm not mad. Because we got the rest of this cruise. We'll go spend a night in Haunted Mansion.
We will. It'll be fine.
We can bring Evelyn in there.
We can.
We did. We sat down. We ordered little gnocchi thing. I'm sure it is. Is it good? Alright. And black bean soup.
Look at how big this shrimp is.
You might have a fun night later.
I might. I might. I'll be like, what is happening?
Why did you give me this?
I'll eat the pepper.
Is it spicy?
No, but you don't want to eat them seeds in there.
Salad time.
Salad. Our rabbit do food as well.
I feel like Eddie's looks better than mine.
It does. This is my beef tenderloin. Looks delicious.
I got salmon.
The salmon. We got salmon. And mashed potatoes. That's right. We got a side. Yeah, I got sauces for my steaks.
That one's really good.
Is it? You want to try the other one?
You would like that one more.
Probably. I think so.
Here. And we're gonna put some vanilla sauce and chocolate sauce together.
It's the best part.
Yes. I did put my finger there, but please don't do it, okay? It's very hot.
Okay,
I did it fast,
okay.
so I did not burn myself.
Okay. Bye-bye, Rose.
Bye, Rose. Dinner was amazing.
Guys, our bill was $7. Can you believe that? Palo, it's $7. We picked up Evelyn. She has her stickers.
Yep.
She had fun. Huh.
Yep. They enjoyed her today.
Everyone's tired.
Yep.
You tired? Go to sleep?
Delirious ball of joy.
Yeah, you guys see your stickers? Can I see your stickers?
Oh,
Aw, that's so cool.